I'm Nikia. I'm going to make party poppers. Things you will need: some balloons, tape, scissors, rubber band, cardboard roll. Let's begin. Take the cardboard roll and take some balloons. Cut the balloon, but I have already cut the other balloon. Take cardboard roll. Now stretch the balloon and put it at the top. Now take the tape roll the tape in the joint of the balloon for extra support. I think this is enough. Let's cut it. Wow, we are almost done. Now take the rubber band and put it at the top of the balloon. Why you know? Because when you put the confetti, it will fall down from this hole. For the support, we are putting the rubber band. Wow, actually we made it. Let's try this party popper whether it's working or not. It's here to pop now. This is the another party popper made with paper cup. Let's pop it.